Hello everyone, this is Nyla with Skyway Classics. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am showing a 1981 Corvette. This is a very special year that the car came out because in 1981 it was the first year that Corvettes were produced in two different factories. Kentucky was producing the first one while St. Louis was producing their last one, I believe. So this is a very unique year for Corvettes, very special year. This one is super slick. It does have glass T-tops, so you have that open air feel. Let's see if I can open this door here. You got the open air feel. You can take them off, put them on. I love this interior. It's red, but it's more of like a burnt orange, kind of brownish red. It's super clean inside. The radio, the AC works. Just an awesome car. Corvettes have been growing on me since I've started working here at Skyway, and this is probably one of my favorites. The way it handles, the way it drives is just amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it started for you. All right, we got this 1981 started. Even got the hood light that works. Beautiful engine bay. Nice and clean. It is a 350 cubic inch automatic transmission. And in 1981, these Corvettes were named the fastest American car ever made. So this car is very special. I'm gonna take it for a drive. So I'm in this 1981. I just wanna show you, it's automatic seats and they do work. The AC works, the radio works. All original gauges, odometer, and they all work. This car feels so comfortable and snug. I just love Corvettes. I'm gonna take it down the road so you can see in real time how she drives, how she rides, what she sounds like. Took that hump nicely. Just even the acceleration on this car is so smooth. I love it with the T-tops. You can have them on or off, and even with them on, it's such an open air feel because you can see through them. It takes that corner. The handling on this car is just amazing. It's definitely got some pick-me-up. Doesn't even feel like you're pushing the gas and you're already at 55. Great brakes. Just a phenomenal car. Gonna go ahead and put it up on the hoist for you so we can see the underside.